Gonna try the knob again. It's a Sunday about almost 4. I know I look really greasy, but should be just enough cars for it to feel okay. And I totally forgot this road used to be full of potholes, so they redid it. I mean, I haven't been here in over 4 years. I don't know when they did it, but yeah, it's nice. Well, it's actually not that many cars in the lot, but I'm doing it. It's been a while since I've been on the rocks. Rocksylvania. Hard to believe I used to hike all these rocks all the time up here. The graffiti looked pretty taken care of at the knob. Guess this is all that. It's shale, I believe. It's all over up here in Pennsylvania. It's very slippery. That sucks about not having a partner anymore that likes to hike. My ex-boyfriend, I had a couple ex-boyfriends that really loved to hike. My soon-to-be ex-husband, not so much. He wasn't much of a hiker. But I miss it. I'm really out of shape. I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever get into it again. It was really good for my soul, though. I can't tell you that. I look at old videos. Oh, there's a deer. I look at old videos and see how happy I was being outdoors and whatnots. I don't know why I keep saying whatnot. This road kind of cracked me up the other day. Look at that. What happened there? It's too funny.